So you want to get into your trunk on the Mercedes C300 2015, and the key doesn't work. Or let's assume you don't have the key, so you can't use that. And this doesn't work. And this doesn't work. So you search every video on YouTube, and all of them are telling you to basically get rid of your seats. And yeah, we're not doing all of that. So I'm gonna show you how to do it from inside. So what you want to do is find this right here, press it. That should release it, and you're trying to get to that switch that's blinking. So you can feel for the levers on the seat. It should come down. And you just push that button and it should open. So this is the lever that we felt for to drop the seats. Like that. And this is the sensor for the emergency release. Yeah.